In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF fillable in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever received a form that needs to be typed into, checked off, or selected from a dropdown, turning it into a fillable PDF is the cleanest, most professional solution. I'll walk you through the exact workflow in Acrobat Pro with a few tips to help you get consistent, accurate results. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're signed in and up to date so all tools are available. Next, open the PDF you want to make fillable. This can be a digital file or a scan of a paper form. The clearer the original, the better Acrobat will perform when it looks for form fields. On the left side, click All Tools, then choose Prepare a Form. This is the dedicated workspace for building interactive forms and is where you'll spend most of your time. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the tools list to find it quickly. Choose your file or select your scanner if you're working from paper, then click Start. Acrobat will analyze the document's layout, looking for underlines, boxes, and labels. When it completes the scan, you'll see suggested fields automatically placed over the form, text fields where there are blank lines, checkboxes where there are squares, and similar elements where they make sense. This auto-detection is a huge time saver and often gets you most of the way there. Now refine the form by adding anything Acrobat missed. Use the toolbar at the top to pick the field type you need. Text field for typed answers, checkbox for yes, no options, or drop-down for preset choices. Click where you want the field, then click and drag to size it so it lines up cleanly with your form's layout. If you want to fine-tune, you can rename a field, mark it as required, or adjust its appearance so labels are clear and consistent. When everything looks placed, click Preview in the top right corner to test your form like a user would. Type into text fields, press Tab to move through the form in order, check and uncheck boxes, and open any drop-downs to confirm they behave as expected. If something needs adjusting, exit Preview, tweak the field, and test again. Finally, save your document to finalize the fillable PDF. Consider using Save As to preserve an original, non-fillable copy for your records. Your form is now ready to share, and recipients can complete it digitally with neat, professional results.